Patricia Granado Gutladera, 32 years old, single. I have one kid. I work here in the Philippines as a helper for 8 years, taking care of newborn baby, child, and also pets. I always do the household chores, cooking, cleaning the house, ironing the clothes, washing the clothes, and marketing. And also tutoring the child to send and pick up from the school. And also sing a song like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm a loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. I promise to do all duties and responsibilities. Thank you and looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.